I'm so crazy, stuck in daydreams, looking out, my vision's hazy. You think I'm crazy?
Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be making some American style banh mi. This is just how I make it. Honestly, I've never really looked up a direct recipe for this or anything. This is just kind of how I've adapted it after eating it at restaurants and in Vietnam and just like trying different things out. This is gonna be a vegetarian tofu version, so pretty cool. All right, this should be pretty easy. Start with some olive oil in a pan. Let it heat on about medium to a little bit higher temperature. Add some smoked paprika, other seasonings. If you have some like actual Asian spices, you should add those, like some sesame oil or something like that. I'm gonna be adding this soy yaki Trader Joe's blend. I probably just add normal soy sauce, but I was out, adding some garlic, fresh or in a bag or whatever. This is just a little bit of jalapeno. We're gonna do about a half. I'm gonna use this organic tofu, and usually I would put it under a book, if you know what I mean, to let it firm a little bit more. And then we're just gonna put that on medium-high heat, add some peppers and green onions, and cut them up super small, throw them in there, and kind of just let those like marinate. And I probably kept these under here for about like 10 minutes or so. And honestly, I kind of did let these get a little too crispy, but I'd say maybe keep the heat on like a 6 out of 10, and then just let that go under a lid. Gonna add some onions because I didn't do that before. You probably just do this all before, so it's better. We're gonna shred some carrots. You can either cut them or shred them. I just like to shred them. Also add some cucumber, and then we're gonna add some jalapeno later. And then just put some fresh lettuce, romaine, or mixed greens in that mix to later freshen the bread. Just cutting up the rolls, and then I put them in the oven at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes, adding that romaine I was talking about, making sure that the tofu is flipped and getting kind of crispy, just a little bit. All right, we're just gonna mix up the greens that we use there. I like to add avocado. And then adding some mayonnaise that we'll have for the bread. If you have any cilantro, you can also add that too, but I was currently out. I decided I would add these like spring roll egg rolls to put in a salad, so we're gonna make those too. I just had those pre-made from Costco, but you could also obviously make those homemade. We're just gonna freshen the plate with a little bit of a salad and add some of those greens and then some edamame. And yeah, we're just gonna make sure the spring rolls are good. I fried them at about a 6 with some olive oil, and then let them soak there for a little bit in the oil, kind of fry up a little bit, and then added some steam with the lid over it. Putting that mayonnaise on the bread, and then gonna add that avocado, because you know, adding a little bit of pepper on the bread. I don't know if I showed that, but yeah, I should have cooked those egg rolls a little bit longer, but we did not. So now we're just gonna freshen the bread with the greens, and then throw the tofu on the bread as well. And yeah, I would also add cilantro if you had that. And so then we had the salad right there, and then we're just gonna add the egg rolls chopped in half for a little inspired salad meal thing. And yeah, just add the banh mi with it, and I think this is a pretty easy meal, pretty good. Definitely takes less than an hour, and it's super easy and like not the unhealthiest thing ever. So yeah, definitely try it out, and it's pretty affordable. And yeah, let me know if you guys try it, and comment if you guys have any suggestions on how to make this recipe better, more authentic, or just anything in general that you have cooking tips for, because you know I'm always down to learn more about cooking and would love to hear you guys' tips. Yeah, if you guys want me to make anything in particular or any inspired meals, definitely let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
I'm so crazy, stuck in daydreams, looking out, my vision's hazy. You think I'm crazy?
Text me back.